What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. In today's video, we will be talking about every red flag we ignore about Rihanna and A$AP Rocky's relationship. Before we begin, please note new videos are uploaded every other day on a wide variety of Roblox topics. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Are A$AP Rocky and Rihanna actually planning to marry? Or is Rihanna ignoring all of her boyfriend's red flags? And what brought them together in the first place? Stay for all of the update about this romance, for folks are still baffled by his Gillette relationship. Fans' reactions. Fans can't help but wonder if Rihanna and A$AP Rocky's romance is truly for Rihanna as their relationship progresses. And of course, there are many people who rejoice in the love shared by these gifted artists. Many others, however, are baffled as to how A$AP Rocky managed to win Rihanna's heart. The Umbrella singer has been linked to a number of high-profile figures, including Leonardo DiCaprio, Drake, and even Prince Harry. As a result, some people question whether A$AP Rocky is as committed to his true love as he claims. But why are so many people wary of this relationship? The truth is that Rihanna's love life has been marred by a number of blunders, prompting fans to be both protective of the singer and curious about her dating criteria. Chris Brown. As you may be aware, Rihanna's public dating life began with her controversial engagement with Chris Brown. Chris was arrested for viciously assaulting her before the 2009 Grammy Awards in 2012, putting an end to their relationship. Rihanna tried again with Chris, but they broke up again. Many people were upset when Rihanna gave Chris a second chance a few months later, but others recognized that leaving is always easier said than done. Chris certainly did not deserve Rihanna, and she has demonstrated that she is far superior to him. Rihanna has been linked to a number of celebrities after their ultimate breakup. Drake was one of them, and some say he dated Rihanna on and off from 2009 until 2016. That's one theory, but legend has it that Drake was never able to exit the friend zone, no matter how hard he tried. There have also been unconfirmed rumors about Rihanna dating Prince Harry and Leonardo DiCaprio, but they have never been confirmed. Rihanna is also said to have had a short-lived relationship with artist Travis Scott, whom she allegedly dated between 2015 and 2016. According to sources close to the singer, Rihanna wanted to keep her connection with Travis as private as possible because she was embarrassed to be seen with him. But rumors aside, we do know that Rihanna's longest relationship prior to A$AP Rocky was with Hassan Janal, a businessman. These two looked amazing together and appeared to be in a devoted relationship for 3 years before splitting up in January 2020. After parting ways with Hassan, Rihanna was seen getting cozy with A$AP Rocky a few times, which sparked rumors that they were dating. However, Rihanna and A$AP had been close friends for a long time before that. That's why some people appear to believe that this connection has been progressively developing from friends to lovers for years. The fact that A$AP and Riri have known one another for so long, according to some, is a wonderful foundation for their relationship. Is it true that Rihanna and A$AP collaborated for the first time in 2012? A$AP joined Rihanna's Diamonds World Tour as an opening act after being included in the singer's tune Cockiness Love. It appeared that the two of them had truly clicked creatively after A$AP was featured in the singer's track Cockiness Love. Fast forward to 2018, when Rihanna was still dating Hassan, and the two of them remained strong friends after their first collaboration. A$AP and her were seen together at a Louis Vuitton show during Paris Fashion Week, and they appear to be very happy and comfortable in each other's company. Some speculated that Rihanna had ditched Hassan in order to be with A$AP, but this speculation was refuted when Rihanna was spotted with her businessman boyfriend in December 2019. A$AP and Rihanna were spotted together at the British Fashion Awards, clearly flirting. It's no surprise that the nature of Rihanna's and A$AP Rocky's relationship has left many people perplexed. Rihanna was in a committed relationship with Hassan at the time, and some speculate that the reason Rihanna and Hassan broke up was because Rihanna cheated on Hassan with A$AP. Shortly after Rihanna and A$AP walked the red carpet together, she and Hassan broke up. The stated reason given was that their lives were too dissimilar. Rihanna and A$AP dating rumors were stronger than ever just a month after their divorce. The singer didn't want to identify the relationships so soon after a big breakup, according to a source close to Rihanna. But it was evident that something was going on. In the summer of 2020, A$AP and Rihanna got together to promote Fenty Cosmetics. As they posed, They appear to be quite playful and at ease, which drew a lot of attention from their followers. They make a nice couple. Rihanna has obviously been his ideal girl for a long time. It's really sweet to see their long-distance friendship blossom into passion. ASAP sat down with her in August 2020 to answer 18 of her questions for the GQ interview. And the chemistry was obvious. Their affection was evident, and they didn't hold back when it came to open flirtation. The two of them traveled to Barbados in December 2020 because Rihanna apparently wanted to meet her family as soon as possible, a relationship that can't be any more official than that. The duo has been inseparable since their vacation to Barbados, and many people consider them to be one of the hottest couples on the planet. Others, on the other hand, are outraged or simply startled that Rihanna is dating someone like ASAP. Some admirers joked on Twitter that there's no way ASAP could have gotten Rihanna only by his charms. Others went even further, posting photos of Rihanna clutching trash bags, alongside the remark Rihanna and ASAP Rocky are such a cute couple. Some people are really curious as to what Rihanna sees in him. One theory is that the rapper became so persistent in asking Rihanna out that she eventually grown tired of ignoring him. We can't say for sure if the artist was ever friend-zoned, but we do know Rihanna isn't afraid to brush off those she doesn't want to be near. While Rihanna has been criticized, his relationship with ASAP is only harsh and superficial. Some folks have valid reasons to be skeptical about the rapper. Some even believe he's a sexist and a colorist, and many of Rihanna's followers have expressed disappointment that she's even with him. So, what did ASAP Rocky do to elicit such a large number of haters, and why does he require media training? ASAP Rocky flaws. ASAP Rocky turns out to be a far more troublesome individual than many people thought. In the year 2015, ASAP was questioned why he didn't speak about political issues in his songs in an awful interview with Time Out. He was especially questioned about why he seems nonchalant about police brutality against black people. His reaction was, "I'm a stone sap. I never intended to become a political activist." Needless to say, ASAP's indifference did not reflect well on him. But things wouldn't have gotten so heated if he hadn't also added that he preferred to rap about girls, substances, and clothes, which was not the wisest thing to say in those situations. If ASAP's disparity wasn't terrible enough, things got considerably worse when the rapper attempted to correct his error. In a subsequent interview, he labeled the Black Lives Matter movement a bandwagon and went on to argue that all lives matter, which, as you may know, is a slogan linked with unfair criticism of protests against racial injustice, but that wasn't the end of it. "My whole legacy, I could do things," ASAP continued, and it's just like with Bill Cosby. He did so many wonderful things leading up to one thing, which he was convicted of being innocent for, by the way. We're not sure how ASAP expected that remark to go over, but we don't need to tell you that the public's reaction was probably not what he had hoped for. ASAP Rocky cheating. ASAP Rocky is also being accused of cheating, but this happened while he was dating Kendall Jenner. Although the stars never came out to confirm their romance, sources were saying that ASAP was also dating another reality star, whom he pissed off by taking Kendall to the Met Gala. According to Verexpao, former Love and Hip Hop New York cast member Tahari Jose has been hooking up with the Harlem rapper for a minute and cried her eyes out when he opted to have Kendall on his arm for the big event. So what do you think about Rihanna and ASAP Rocky relationship? If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing for more.